Today we are going to do something that I think is really fun. We are going to create a movie, an MP4 file from our presentation we did last time in Canva. So let's move over to the computer. So here we are at Canva, and we're going to start working with the presentation I created in my last video. And if you want to see how I created the presentation, I will have a link down in the description. As you can see, I have finished up all the work with my 4 slides, and I have added some music. That is done by going to audio on the side here, and I picked a free piece of music. You can see the music down here, and up at the top you see the whole piece of music, but this is the length of my presentation, so I can pick a piece of music wherever I want in this long set of music, and it will play in the background. I have turned the volume down to only 15% for it not to be too overwhelming. Go up to the 3 little dots here, and we choose present and record. And here you can see, record yourself while talking over a presentation. Share a video link with students, friends or colleagues. And underneath it says go to recording studio. I click that, and the first thing it wants me to do is set up camera and microphone. All I have to do now is start recording. As you could see, I hit the little pause button. Let's look at what we have here. We have a timer that shows how long we have been talking. We had the pause and resume. We have a button for done. We have the presentation slide right here, and down in the left corner we have a little insert of ourselves. At the bottom I see my 4 slides, and on the right hand side here we have my presenter's notes. Let's hit resume. This is my first slide. This is recording as I'm speaking, and I control when to switch slides. And then we have the last slide. And when all this is done, I hit end recording. Now it is uploading my recording. This can take a little while. So now my recording is uploaded. I have a couple of alternatives. I have a link that I can share with others. This link will take people to the presentation at the Canva site. I can, if I am not happy with what I did, discard it all. I can download it from here to my computer, or I can just save and exit. Since I already done this once, I'm just gonna save and exit this time. In my next video, I will work in the Canva app and show you where you can find all the things I have used during this series, but in the app. I hope you enjoyed this video and will give it a thumbs up. And remember, never stop learning.